The theme, Strengthening Communities Through Peace, Justice and Forgiveness, aptly chosen for this occasion, as God beckons to us, as He uses us as His agents of transformation. God calls us to be salt and light and to engage community one heart at a time, one home at a time, one street, one lane, one avenue, one family, one community at a time. It will have a ripple effect upon our communities as we seek to strengthen them through justice, peace, and forgiveness. I am Christine Benguche, Bishop of the Methodist Church in Jamaica, and the task has been entrusted to me this year to bring the word as the Lord lays it on my heart and to share at this prayer breakfast. Indeed, I deem it a privilege and certainly an opportunity from God to declare His word. Justice, truth be ours forever. Jamaica, land we love. God bless you, and God bless Jamaica, land we love.